Number 1. Constantly worrying if someone is mad at you. Do you catch yourself overthinking every text, wondering if okay really means someone's upset? That's not just worry. It's your brain stuck in threat mode. If you grew up where anger meant danger, your amygdala, your brain's alarm system, got trained to treat even neutral signals like warning signs, because missing those cues once meant real risk. You're not too sensitive. Your brain is just running an outdated safety program that doesn't match your life now. Number 2. Seeking approval and avoiding conflict. Whatever makes you happy becomes your automatic response to disagreement. If you grew up in an unstable environment, your stress system learned that conflict could trigger rejection or punishment. The fawn response, surviving by pleasing others, became your go-to strategy. Even now, when tension rises, your body reacts like it's bracing for impact. Your heart races, your stomach knots, pushing you to smooth things over instantly. It's not weakness, it's survival wiring that once kept you safe. Number 3. Jumping to worst-case scenarios. A delayed text turns into a car accident in your mind. A minor headache spirals into something deadly. Trauma reshapes the brain's risk system, making worry circuits overactive while quieting the parts that calm and reassure. If your past involved unpredictability or danger, preparing for catastrophe once felt protective. That better safe than sorry wiring still interprets uncertainty as threat, even when you're safe today. Number 4. Struggling with imposter syndrome. Success might feel undeserved, and compliments don't land because you believe people don't know the real you. This is defectiveness schema, a deep belief that you're flawed, unworthy, or unlovable, often caused by constant invalidation and criticism in childhood. Over time, those patterns taught your brain to expect dismissal, to see yourself as not enough. So even when you achieve something real, your mind discounts it, assuming others would withdraw approval if they truly saw you. Number 5. Reacting strongly to sudden noises. Door slams send your heart racing. A car backfire feels like danger. That's a heightened startle response. Your body's stuck in hyperarousal, always bracing for threat. When loud sounds once came with violence or shouting, your brain logged them as warning signs. Even now, your system still floods with stress hormones in safe places because it hasn't fully learned the danger is over. Number 6. Keeping everyone at arm's length. You may want closeness, but as relationships deepen, you pull away. This is approach avoidance conflict. Part of you craves connection, while another part sees it as risky. If vulnerability once led to betrayal or rejection, your protective wiring linked intimacy with pain. So when bonds grow, your survival system steps in, creating distance. It's not that you don't care, it's your brain trying to shield you from hurt. Number 7. Overreacting to criticism. Even small critiques can feel overwhelming or cut deep. That's because your brain links criticism with old experiences of shame, invalidation, or punishment. When you had little control or voice, negative feedback carried real danger. Now your alarm system reacts as if criticism threatens your worth. What looks like too much reaction today is really old pain being reactivated in the present. Number 8. Escaping into daydreams. When reality felt unbearable, your mind built safer inner worlds. These vivid daydreams weren't random, they were dissociation, an adaptive escape that gave you relief and control when your external world offered none. Your imagination became a survival tool, carrying you through storms you couldn't face directly. Number 9. Feeling completely numb. When emotions became unbearable, your system installed an emergency shutdown, numbness. What feels like emptiness is really protection from overwhelm. It helped you function through impossible moments, but it also dulled joy, excitement, and love. That numbness lingers because your emotional system hasn't yet learned it's safe to fully feel again. Number 10. Repeatedly entering unhealthy relationships. This isn't just bad luck, it's repetition compulsion. When early experiences taught you that love came with neglect, dysfunction, or instability, your brain recorded that as normal. As an adult, unhealthy dynamics can feel strangely familiar. That instant spark isn't always chemistry, it's your brain recognizing what it's seen before. And because familiarity feels safer than the unknown, even when it's painful, you may find yourself drawn back into the same patterns again and again.